Hi guys, so I am back doing a new subscription today. It's called MYBRAVABOX, which is something that I found out through a young lady named Mireya MUA. She is a YouTuber as well, and I wanted to try it. It seems really good. The things that are in there, it's supposed to be like a subscription for Latinas, but you know, of course everybody can use it. But I am about to get into this right now, so let's try it. Okay, so it has a cute little plant. Thought it was a papaya, but it's not. So this here was, I think, 20 or 25. It cost me. That subscription is every month. So today, I'm not sure how many items are coming in here. I will count that with you and then hopefully go over the prices listed below, since I would have to look some of these up. But the first one I'm getting is from Romantic Beauty. So this is a matte lipstick. I love the packaging. Let's just say it's really suede feeling. So this is really neat. So I'll open this shortly. The second one I got today is a beauty blender. This is by Beauty Creations, which I think I want to get that palette that Mireya collab with shortly. It is the Frida palette, so I do want to do that. The next one here is called Unicorn Dust. It is by Trend Beauty, and I will open these up shortly. And then the last item here is called Glam Babe. I'm assuming this can be a palette, but let me see. It just does not state that, but I do know that it is animal cruelty free. So which are all these products here today. So let's go into the matte lipstick, okay? So the first one I want to get to here is this beautiful matte. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like diamond specks. Let me open this all the way. If you can see that, that is not like something I just put up. This is actually a lipstick. So I am going to try this on right here. It does go in smooth. What I'm sad to say is that I don't see these diamond specks that I see on the lipstick. So I don't know if you can see that. So I'm a little sad, but it is pretty, so I would still do this in the evening. Now this does have a smell to it. It reminds me of a what is this? A Now and Later. That's exactly what this smells like. So it smells really good. The second one here I'm going to get into is this Unicorn Dust. So this sounds like a highlighter, but we'll find out. Yes. So here today you have 3. I don't know if you can see those, but they're pretty light. This one's like a little bit of a peachy rose gold, more of a gold, and then it's like a light champagne. So here I'm gonna try the first one, which is called Dreamer. It is cute. It's not bad. The second one here I'm gonna try is called Mystical. Because I've been getting a lot of highlighters, I may just give this away to my sister since I'm already testing it. And then the last one here is called Fantasy. Don't know if you could even see those colors, but they're pretty. Like, they're really, really light. It doesn't look like there's much fallout here. I mean, because it's light in weight doesn't mean that it's not like high end or anything like that. But I'll have to see. I think you could pretty much, if you got a good setting spray, kind of create a pretty look. So this is cute. The next one here is which I'm assuming is a palette. This one here is the Glam Babe. cute packaging. Really, really cute. So glittery. When you feel it, you can feel the glitter. So let's open this up. Oh, wow. That is pretty. Look at those. Look at that. Even though I love these colors, and they're all shimmers, there's only 2 matte looking ones. Actually 3. Wow, this is pretty. So this is 1, 2, and 3 mattes. Everything else has much of a shimmer. This Trend Beauty is something that I want to try, but then I kind of want to set up a nice, giveaway. So I have already a couple products. I have a lipstick. I have this. I have some facial like serums and stuff that I actually want to give away. So it's just a nice start to this YouTube channel. So I may actually include this. This looks pretty. I don't want to test it out because, I've gotten 2 new palettes already for my other subscriptions. So I'm probably going to give this one away. But the colors are beautiful. You can't go any wrong. Even if they say there's a lot of fallout in the pan, or let's say that they don't like pack on very well. If you do a little setting spray to it, these will come out beautifully. Anything with a good primer, concealer, and some setting spray, you'll be fine. You can use the cheapest makeup and still have it come out beautiful. So this by any means doesn't look cheap. So I will try to find the prices of all these and list them down there for you, since unfortunately they didn't give me any description page. But I do want to do a nice little giveaway to start off my first channel. So that is one. You get 1, 2, 3 with the lipstick, and then the final one is the beauty blender. If I can grab it, which I do want to open and check it out. So like I said, I want to try Beauty Creations. I've seen a couple things from them, so they are starting to really become like well known. If I can get this open, I see a couple like YouTubers. Oh, this is so, I love this. It's more over here because I really like pack it on the foundation. Depending on your foundations, some go out on smooth with the brush, so some of mine require a sponge to do it. So my Makeup Forever, I love to do it with a sponge. My MAC, I love to do it with a brush. It just comes out flawless that way. So it is a trial and error type of thing. You have to know your foundations to see which one goes better, but you can't go wrong. So this does feel nice. I'm gonna try this, so we'll see. But that is all I have for today. When my next subscriptions come in for next month, I'm excited because I'm getting a bigger box for the Boxy charm. I'm actually doing the Luxe and the Premium. So the difference between the 3 is Boxy charm is $25 a month. You get a standard about 4 or 5 items. They are full-size items. The Luxe is way more stuff in that box. You get like over $270 worth of product. It's $25 on top of your normal $25 that you would pay for the subscriptions. And then the last one is the Premium. That one is supposed to have more, I think 7 or more items in it, and I think they're all full size. I will list everything down below, as well as this new MYBRAVABOX, and just see, hopefully that you guys enjoy that and just try it out. You can't go wrong with trying. So I will be on shortly to upload my other videos. So please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.